The priest is bullshitting you. He has got you on a guilt trip. The only original sin is ignorance. Now watch me carefully now. Look at my face. I look serious, right? I am serious. S-I-R-I-U-S. You did not commit original sin. The original sin was committed by the Creator. The Creator created matter. Matter is the realm of sin. It is the realm of ignorance. So the only one that should be blamed for any damn thing is God. He fucked up. She fucked up. You didn't fuck up. You're just the effect. It was the cause. So everything you're reading in the Bible has to do with the mythology based upon how metaphysical principles and metaphysical dynamics of the spirit attenuates, crystallizes, and becomes matter. And it is in the realm of matter where all this shit happens. This is where God plays out its worst and its weirdest and its baddest fantasy. It is you who are God folded over on itself. It's you that chose to come here. And it's you that chose to follow Lucifer, who was God, trying to find itself. It's you who chose to take on the coat of flesh, to parade around in the coat of flesh, to be in this fashion show we call life. It's you, not the fucking priest. To hell with the priest. I know I make you must be cringing at home. I know your stomach is turning over, your head is hurting. You may want to take a shit now, but go ahead. Clean out. The priest has been fucking your head up. You are God. If you look for God outside of yourself, and if you believe in things you don't understand, like Stevie says, you're gonna suffer. Superstition ain't the way.